Just an update. Just a few hours of sanding. We started with the 60 grit. Big machine, 60 grit, multi-head machine for the Epic. Now Chris is trowel filling the floor with wood filler. Just keeping it nice and clean up off the edge. Making less work for us for later. When we do that, it gets all the imperfections flattened out and taken care of. Like this stuff. Really helps. See? Looks like a shoddy rift and shoddy rip cut. For some reason, must have been a repair there. But for a couple hours of sanding, look what he was able to accomplish. It's pretty good. Looks great.